Hello, my name is Sienna and I'm going to show you how to do easy Halloween makeup. I'm going to start by concealing the eyelids just to create a clean, smooth canvas for the eyeshadow. I'm using a buffing brush so there are no rough edges and no brush lines. I'm then going to apply a neutral white eyeshadow just to set the concealer so there are no creases. I'm going to bring this colour all the way up to the brow bone. I'm then going to get a warm brown eyeshadow and just apply this in the crease to create a shadow. This will add definition to the eye and give it more shape. I'm using a fluffy brush to apply this just to make sure there are no sharp edges. I'm using an orange blusher in the centre of the lid. I'm using a blusher for this look just to create more pigment and more colour. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to push on the colour so there's no fall down, and then blending out with a fluffy brush into the crease. I'm also going to take the orange blusher underneath the eye and just mimic the top lid. I'm going to take it all the way across from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm then going to use a liquid eyeliner in black to create a cat flick. I'm going to make sure the liner is thickest on the outer corner. I'm now going to elongate the flick. I'm then going to add a white highlight just to bring out the brow bone and add contrast to the orange. I'm also going to add this highlight just in the tear duct area, just to open the eye. I'm going to add a nude eye pencil just to complement the highlight and open the eye. I'm going to add black thickening mascara on the top and bottom lashes. To finish off this Halloween look, I'm going to incorporate some little spiders around the eye area. Start with a small black dot and then carefully start drawing the legs. If you can, add a slight bend in the legs